Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend portfolio management for tax efficiency. First, tax-efficient dividend portfolio management means organizing your dividend investments in a smarter way so you can reduce unnecessary taxes, improve your after-tax income, and allow your wealth to grow more efficiently over time. To begin with, tax efficiency matters because the dividend income you receive is not always the same as the money you actually keep. When taxes are managed properly, investors may enjoy higher after-tax income, better long-term compounding, lower tax drag, and stronger portfolio planning. Next, it is important to understand the different types of dividends. Qualified dividends are usually taxed at lower long-term capital gains rates, whereas ordinary or non-qualified dividends are taxed at regular income tax rates. In addition, REITs and some high-yield distributions can be less tax-efficient in taxable accounts, so they need careful placement. After that, investors should choose the right account type. A taxable brokerage account can be useful for qualified dividend stocks, tax-aware investing, and long holding periods. On the other hand, a traditional IRA or 401k may be useful for tax-deferred growth and for holding less tax-efficient income assets. Meanwhile, a Roth IRA can be powerful for long-term compounding because qualified withdrawals may be tax-free. Furthermore, asset location is a key strategy. Qualified dividend blue-chip stocks may fit well in taxable accounts, while REITs, bond funds, and high ordinary income assets may be better suited for tax-advantaged accounts. Therefore, instead of putting every investment in one account, investors should think carefully about tax placement. Then, focus on after-tax yield, not only the headline dividend yield. The formula is simple. After-tax yield equals dividend yield multiplied by 1 minus the tax rate. For example, a 5% dividend yield taxed at 20% gives a 4% after-tax yield. This shows that a higher yield does not always mean better income after taxes. In addition, holding investments for longer periods can support better tax efficiency. By reducing unnecessary trading and allowing dividends to compound over time, investors may avoid extra tax costs and improve long-term results. Also, dividend reinvestment should be handled carefully. Reinvesting dividends can help grow a portfolio, but cost bases should be tracked accurately. In taxable accounts, even reinvested dividends may still create a tax liability, so investors should stay organized. Moreover, managing losses and gains can also improve tax efficiency. Tax loss harvesting may help offset gains when suitable, while reviewing turnover and capital gains impact can reduce avoidable tax pressure. However, investors should avoid emotional selling and make decisions based on a clear plan. Another important point is to watch special tax issues. Foreign withholding taxes, state taxes, ETF or mutual fund turnover, MLP and K1 complexity, and changing tax rules can all affect the final income an investor keeps. Finally, a tax-efficient portfolio should include a clear checklist. Investors should understand dividend tax treatment, separate taxable and tax-advantaged assets, prioritize after-tax returns, review account placement, limit unnecessary turnover, monitor distributions and cost basis, and rebalance with tax awareness. For example, a simple portfolio may use a taxable account for dividend growth stocks and a broad equity ETF, a traditional IRA for REIT funds and bond funds, and a Roth IRA for long-term dividend growth holdings. The goal is not just higher income, the real goal is higher after-tax income. Overall, a tax-efficient dividend portfolio combines smart account placement, awareness of dividend types, disciplined holding periods, and a strong focus on after-tax returns. This video is for educational purposes only, and tax rules can vary by investor and country, so consider speaking with a qualified tax professional or financial advisor before making decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.